y'all, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today I will be doing a review on the Sensational Butter Unit Lace number 5 wig that I ordered off of Sam's Beauty. I believe I paid like $39.95 for it. And it does come with 2 combs on the side and a lace part down the middle and a comb in the back. And also you cannot shift this wig to the side, so you have to wear it with the part down the middle. Just want to let you guys know about that up front. Here I'm just putting on the foundation, which I like to always start off with the Sally Hansen spray, and then I like to go over it with my powder foundation that matches my scalp. And this hair is really big. I'm just gonna let you guys know off the bat. I don't know what I was thinking when I decided to order this hair. I mean, I didn't see a lot of videos online for it. Maybe that's why, but y'all, if you are into the big hair like Diana Ross or Shaka Khan, or if you're just trying to look like Mufasa from The Lion King, go ahead and order this wig. It'll be right up your alley. But if you're not into that type of hair, don't do like me. Don't order this hair, because it just didn't look right on me. I don't know if it's because my forehead is not very big, and I have a low hairline on top of that too, so those two combinations don't go very well with the big curly hair. But yeah, so right here I used my free spray to adhere the wig down, and I used my blow dryer on a cool setting, I believe. One thing I can say that I do like about this wig is that I like the baby hairs. I thought they were very natural, and you know, they weren't over the top or anything like that. Also, the lace really did melt into my skin very well. I didn't find myself having to do any type of plucking at all. So if you like this kind of hair, this could easily be one of those plop and go type of wigs you can put on, and just, you know, if you need to run out to the store real fast or anything like that. But yeah, and then another thing, I really didn't like the color. Maybe if I would have got a darker color, I would have liked this more, but the color looked unnatural in person. It looks okay on camera, but in person it just didn't look right. Yeah, so here I'm like, okay girl, this is not gonna work for me. It's a no. It's a no. So what I went over, I went and got my free spray and my blow dryer, and I was trying to like press it down because it was just looking like Humpty Dumpty at the top of my head. It was way too big and lumpy, and I mean, don't nobody want to walk around with no lumpy looking hair, you know. So, and then I was like, well, let me go ahead and cut the bangs in and let me see if that helps, which it helped a little bit, but it was still a no for me, y'all. It was just not, it wasn't hitting for me at all. So then my last little attempt to try to get this wig to work for me was I went and got my mousse, and I just put that on throughout, and I was really just trying to get it to lay down and mesh together, because this wig has like pieces that are short on the side, and it don't look right. So I got the mousse to try to get everything to lay down and blend in better, but it really didn't work. Yeah, so if you made it this far in the video, thumbs up for you. Leave a heart emoji or something in the comments below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.